In line with the guiding principles of India's new criminal laws, the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, the Goa government, in consultation with the High Court of Bombay at Goa, has decided that first-time offenders convicted of minor crimes will be assigned community service instead of imprisonment. First-time offenders convicted of offences such as theft involving amounts under 5,000 rupees after returning the stolen property, public disturbance due to intoxication and defamation will be ordered to perform community service rather than serve a jail sentence. The trial court will determine the type of service, which may include work at government facilities such as hospitals, public parks, beaches, old age homes, and educational institutions. The court will also decide the duration of community service, which can range from 4 to 240 hours. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.